Alright, fuck me, I'll tell you what. Fuck me right now, I can't see you. I'll make you if you can trust me. Now do that, you that very dry man. Suck my old ass mama who came dick. You hear what I said, that dog. You say we can keep them out. Alright, uneducated. I'm the next black mama. Oh, so good. There's the old crazy cat, motherfucking white boy like you. Yeah, I don't live with us. Live with us yourself. Hey, guys! Oh, white boy here trying to pull his money out of shoot like I did to his mama. I'm an old bad motherfucker. I don't know you, motherfucker. Who are you, motherfucker? Back. Hold there. Back. You kiss my ass. I'll give you how many? Hello? I'm on the train. I'm waiting for the train. Y'all going to come. I said I'll be there by 2 o'clock. Listen. Just stay there. If you needed help in any kind of help, I'll be there about 2 o'clock. Go play a number. Play. I got that thing. Not the touch. I go 696. Oh, yeah. This white boy messing me said, if you're over there, I'll be there. I'm on the clear problem. Hello? I'm at the train station, clear problem. Lord, I'm waiting for my... What up, Black? Okay, I'll be here by 2:30. What are they drinking? Y'all riding that train, big hog cocaine. Hey, Louis. Hey, motherfucker. Hey, guess what's up there, Louis, son? What's up? What ain't doing? Come on, say it. Hey, baby. Come on. Hey, Louis. I'm going to get baby. Wait till I come back. What's good? Had a bed. I had a bed. Ain't a play Listen. All right. Hey, yo. Okay, I'm for you. Come on. Oh. Can you see? Boy, the daughter.